Bitcoin is continuing to test structural resistance on this bear flag pattern. At this time, we've also tested this descending resistance. This is going to be a crucial level, and I do think we're going to see moves back down as we touch it, especially with the current standing of our indicators. As the price moves down, I'm going to show you the signals that we're looking for to catch the next move up, or what could be a potential break to the downside here on Bitcoin. Now, the indicators that I'm about to show you, let's zoom in here a little bit, that was way far out, are the same indicators that our traders are using to become debt-free. How this trader earns $1,000 to $5,000 a day. How this trader earned 10%, 50 to 70%, 103% profit in 34 days. And it just keeps going. We're seeing our traders have success with it. We've personally scored 284 successful trade calls with 0 losses over the last 25 months. Guys, these indicators are insane. With that in mind, I want to introduce myself. My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and today we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus money flow, trades in favor, and we're going to bring in the breakout detector. We usually use the first 3 for all of our trades. The breakout detector is a special one because we have dropped into the breakout zone, and most often when this happens, you are seeing sharp moves. Now, recently they've all been to the downside, but it doesn't actually determine direction. You need to use the other indicators to determine direction. And what you're going to notice is as price versus money flow and trades in favor were high, when we got the breakout zone reading, we saw a move down. Price versus money flow was high, trades in favor was high, breakout zone reading. We even got a sell signal and we saw a crash from there. You're going to notice very similar signals. Price versus money flow is high, trades in favor is high, and we see a breakout detector signal. Most often, again, this should result in pretty sharp moves to the downside, but we are also trading within what's called a bear flag. Most often, this will break to the downside the same length from the point of breakout as the length of the flag pull here. And in previous videos, I've shown you that sits around $67,000. Now, if you watched Travis's video earlier today, you're going to know that we are likely to see a super cycle, and that $60,000 to $70,000 could be the bottom, an absolutely amazing buy opportunity before gigantic moves back up. This bear flag pattern is much smaller than this descending wedge pattern, which is often far more bullish than a bear flag is bearish. And I think as we break out of this wedge pattern, we could see massive moves to the upside too. Now, I've been talking all over the place, bullish, bearish. What are we expecting over the next few days? What can you do as a trader to maximize your profit? We see price versus money flow is high. This means whales have overbought and are likely to sell out of the market. And in fact, we know they're selling because this green line is pointing downwards. As money continues to sell out of the market and we approach this structure support on the price versus money flow, if we manage to break below this, we're likely to break the bear flag pattern too. As the bear flag pattern moves down, the price crashes. This is where trades in favor is likely to push into the long trade zone. If this is to happen, this would mean that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. And I forgot to mention price versus money flow low means that whale money has oversold and is likely to buy back into the market. And where whale money goes, again, price is likely to go to price versus money flow increases, price increases, and you're going to see this as a very consistent pattern. The last signal that we're looking for is either a buy or strong buy signal, and you're going to notice that most often these are going to indicate ideal candle entries before a move up. Each of these, price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy or strong buy signal is bullish, but when combined, create what's called the bullish trifecta, and this is the combination that we use and our traders have used to earn massive profits. With that in mind, I want to help you set alerts. I don't want you missing this next move in Bitcoin. If you can score a bottom before the super cycle that we talked about in an earlier video today, and in today's future forecast video, this is coaching, literally 45 minutes worth of crazy important data. If we are going to see a super cycle pattern, you're going to want to make sure you hit and enter the exact bottom, or at least as close as you can get to it. I'm going to show you how to make that entry. The future forecast video is actually going to show you how to manage your risk. What we're going to do is head to the alerts tab. We're going to click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and name it. Bitcoin 1 day watch for pump, click create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. Keep it at a buy signal, once per bar close, and name it. Bitcoin 1 day buy, click create. And the last alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder again. This time it'll be a strong buy, once per bar close, and name it. Bitcoin 1 day strong buy, click create. And these 3 alerts are going to help you catch that next bullish trifecta. Watch for pump alert means that the trades in favor has closed in the long trade zone. A buy or strong buy alert means a buy or strong buy signal has posted. And if any of these 3 alerts show up on your trading device, whatever you use to trade, make sure to get ready for a full bullish trifecta. And if that pops, be ready, because this could be a fantastic entry. In fact, one of the last entries before a massive super cycle move. If you want to get access to these indicators, our members can get them for up to $550 off. Massive discounts, and that's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast videos, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangout coming up this Thursday. If you want to get access to all this and more, links are in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. There's a little bit of construction going on outside. Sorry, guys. Less than $50 to get started. We're going to click indicators, scroll down. The member discount here is $150 off. More discounts coming. Don't worry. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this. Throw in that membership code. Fill in your information. Click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart. Follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for that future forecast episode and this week's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Don't miss out.